Hey everybody, welcome to What the Health. I'm your host, Darwin Moore, and I just want to thank you guys for tuning in. As always, please subscribe to the channel, like, share, hit the notification bell so that you can stay on top of everything that's going on the channel. And I always want to make sure you guys participate in the comments because I want to revolve this show around the audience, what their concerns or questions or topics are. So please participate. I appreciate you guys for rolling with me. We're going to do some great things. We're just starting out this channel, but we're going to do some great things. So I really appreciate your support. So thank you for that. Now to some housekeeping. I want to make sure to acknowledge my exclusive sponsor at this time, Cranwood Collection. The Cranwood Collection, they make some of the most beautiful scents, perfumes and colognes out there for men and women. You can even go back and forth. A lot of the stuff that I have that's by them, men or women can wear them, okay? Because they're that good. So they're gluten-free, vegan-friendly, nothing fake, infused with essential oils. So a great product. So they're gonna give my audience 20% off all orders. You can use the code WTH20 and you'll see that down below. Also, me as a wellness advocate and consultant, I'm really into essential oils, so that's why I'm getting this information out to the people. But yes, I do represent, there's a brand that I totally stand by. That's pure therapeutic grade essential oils, nothing fake about them. They're very responsible in how they go about producing these. So you'll see that link down below because we're gonna give my listeners a special gift. So we're gonna give you guys, so normally it's a membership driven thing, but everything that we have essential oils just for general health, specific health ailments. We have diffusers, we have everything essential oils. But to my listeners, we're gonna give you guys, we're gonna let you guys have the first year membership for free. That's a savings of $35, and then you're gonna get 25% off of everything. So you'll be able to see in our store, we have cosmetics, we have things for babies, we have things for pets, we have things for cellular health, everything that you can think of. So make sure you check that link down below and take advantage of the offer. So what we're going to be doing also is there's going to be a free ebook that's going to accompany this this series of videos. So we're going to provide you guys with a free ebook of 100 uses for essential oils. It's going to be free. You'll see the link down below for that. So without further ado, let's get back into it. Okay, we've excuse me. We've been covering, we started at 100, we're down to number 80, 79, as far as the 100 best uses for essential oils. So we're gonna start off today with number 79. And number 79 kind of goes hand in hand with another one, which is the 73rd best use, but a soothing bath for kids and adults, basically. Okay, you can combine lavender oil with Epsom salt, and that'll create a nice, relaxing, rejuvenating, de-stressing bath for you guys to soak in and just enjoy all the benefits of both Epsom salt and lavender. So that can be used by kids or adults. Okay, so that's lavender mixed with Epsom salts. Number 78, which I'm in the Midwest, so we have a lot of crazy weather going on right now. So sore throats, sinuses, all that kind of good stuff. So number 78 is preventing sore throats. Okay, so in order to prevent a sore throat, what you can use is thyme oil mixed in, gargle with warm water. So just take some warm water, put a few drops. You'll be able to determine, how many drops are effective for you. But it's a great all-natural way to get rid of that sore throat. And it just kind of reminds me of my grandmother, because my grandmother, she used to tell us to take, I think it was, it's either warm water and salt or gargle with vinegar and salt, something like that. I think it was warm water and salt. But this is just a 21st century version of that remedy for sore throats. So definitely something to keep in mind during those winter months. Thyme oil and gargle, thyme oil and warm water. Just gargle those. Okay, we've made videos in the past about essential oils in pets. So when it comes to fleas, you can repel fleas in your pets. You can use cedarwood oil. Okay, cedarwood oil will act as a repellent for fleas and what have you for your pets. So you don't have to go around buying all of these things off of Chewy and what have you, all these pharmaceutical, because you just don't know what the side effects are going to be. But this is an all-natural remedy in order to repel fleas in pets. Number 76, we probably have a lot of students out there. You guys study a lot. Sometimes you have lack of focus, but if you incorporate rosemary oil, that will help with improving your concentration during those study hours. Okay, so rosemary oil helps with focus during study. Number 75, for you ladies out there who are blessed to be pregnant and bringing life into the world. I know that you guys suffer from morning sickness at times, but you can use peppermint oil or ginger oil can help reduce morning sickness, okay? I don't know of the pharmaceutical drugs out there that help with morning sickness, but this is definitely a great all-natural way to help kind of calm those morning sickness afflictions. Number 74. Now, this is one that's important to me because as an athlete, our shoes stink, our socks funky, okay? So adding lemon oil. So what I do is I'll take a cotton ball and I'll douse it with lemon oil and just sit it. And just sit it in my shoes. Gets rid of that funky, sweaty, damp smell in your shoes. And it definitely beats the socks off of, odor eaters or any type of other insert that you can put into your shoes. So for my athletes out there, just people with stinky, funky feet, you can use lemon oil, okay? Lemon oil is your friend, all right. For the men out there, now I am guilty myself. I have spent tons of money on shave creams and things of that nature. But I think one day when I lived in, is either California or Phoenix, I went to a store called The Art of Shaving. And they had creams, but they had shaving oils also. And the benefit of the shaving oil was that it softens your beard or mustache or whatever you're shaving. It softens it and nourishes your skin at the same time, all natural, okay? So I have myself used olive oil, and I infuse that with like a cedar wood or sandalwood or lavender, just whatever I felt like at that particular time for that particular batch. I use that, and it's a different type of shave because it softens everything and just makes everything easier. And that razor just glides over your skin, and it's cheap to make. You probably have olive oil sitting in your kitchen right now. You probably have some avocado oil sitting in your kitchen right now. Just get you some cedar wood oil, and peppermint oil, sandalwood oil, whatever you like. Just get you some of that, and infuse the olive oil with that and start using it as your own shaving oil. Okay, I've done that, and I still do that to this day. So great one out there for the guys. And again, for the ladies, your makeup brushes. I don't know what's in all these foundations and mascaras and all that, but I'm sure that stuff just cakes up in your brushes. So, and who knows what's growing inside there. So a great way to keep your makeup brushes fresh is to use tea tree oil. Now, tea tree oil is antifungal, antiviral, antiseptic, great for infections. So you can use it to disinfect cuts and bruises and whatnot. You can use it in the kitchen, but another way to use it is in your makeup brushes. So I would suggest just taking, I would just take a bottle, buy one at the store, spray bottle, put some water in there, infuse it with some tea tree oil, and just spray your brushes down every once in a while. Kind of make sure that you aren't transferring all those viruses and funguses and all that stuff to your skin. So that's a great use for tea tree oil to clean those makeup brushes. Now, to the last one in this segment, for all you lovers out there, forget the blue pills, orange pills, red pills, whatever color pills, to kind of get that libido going. Ylang ylang is famously known for its aphrodisiac properties. So take a couple drops of that in water, or rubbing it on you with a diluter of coconut oil or avocado oil, whatever. But ylang oil will definitely put some spark back into the loving part of your relationship. So that's a free nugget from Uncle D, kind of help revive the love life of some of my members out there. So yeah, use that one, ylang oil. So this is a short video of some of the great uses for essential oils. I wanted to keep it short and sweet and eat so you can easily digest it. Hopefully you found something worthwhile. But in closing, I just always want you guys to be safe with essential oils. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment. But just be safe, because I'm telling you, I'm not a doctor. I'm not saying that this is going to cure anything or prevent any type of disease or anything like that. That's not what I'm doing. I just know that these things work, and I know it's not as sexy of a topic as some of the other stuff that's out there on YouTube with all the gossip and what's going on in society with politics and race and all that. But this is extremely helpful, and it's something that I'm passionate about. So I want to make sure to bring that to you guys. So hopefully you like this. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, because we're coming out with new information, probably new videos at least 3 times a week. So you guys are really important so I can make sure that I'm staying on top of things. And make sure you take advantage of the links below. my exclusive sponsor, Cranwood Collection. They're giving you guys 20% off, all natural fragrances, handmade, great smelling, long lasting, and pretty inexpensive. Also make sure to go to my website, which you'll see the link below. We have everything involving essential oils for pets, for cosmetics, for cellular health, for your yoga sessions. We have it all. And so for my listeners, what we're doing, you're getting the first year membership free. So that's the savings of $35 right there. And then you're getting 25% off all of your purchases. So we tend to leave you with some good gifts for participating and taking the time out. And we're also going to give a free ebook to all the listeners. So just email me. You'll see the link below, and we'll see you in the ebook of 100 best uses for essential oils. So that's going to be it for today's show. Hope you got something out of it. And we can all do better. So let's all do better health-wise, so we can be around here for a long time. So until then, guys, have a great day, and we'll see you soon.